The Dresser is a fashion consulting agency that helps new fashion startups with designing and manufacturing small minimum order quantities. Here are the steps that the Dresser takes to help their clients. 1. Initial consultation. The Dresser team schedules an initial consultation with the new fashion startup to discuss their vision and requirements for the clothing line. 2. Design concept development. Based on the client's requirements, the Dresser team creates a design concept and sketches the initial design options for the client's approval. 3. Fabric sourcing. Once the client has approved the design concept, the Dresser team sources fabrics that meet the client's specifications and budget. 4. Sample making. The Dresser team creates samples of the design for the client to approve before moving into production. 5. Production planning. The Dresser team helps the client plan the production process, including selecting the right manufacturing partner and determining the small minimum order quantity (MOQ) required for production. 6. Production monitoring. During the production process, the Dresser team monitors the quality of the production to ensure that it meets the client's requirements. 7. Quality control. The Dresser team performs quality control checks on the finished products to ensure that they meet the client's specifications. 8. Shipping and logistics. The Dresser team helps the client with shipping and logistics to ensure that the finished products are delivered on time and to the right location. 9. Marketing support. The Dresser team provides marketing support to help the client launch their clothing line successfully, including developing marketing materials and providing guidance on branding and product positioning. 10. Ongoing support. The Dresser team provides ongoing support to the client to help them grow their clothing line and overcome any challenges that may arise. By following these steps, the Dresser helps new fashion startups to bring their designs to life, even with small minimum order quantities. At the Dresser, we pride ourselves on providing excellent customer service and support. Our consulting fees vary depending on the level of involvement, time, labor, and facility required. We are always happy to consult with clients to discuss their needs and provide them with a quote that works for them.